RT/RW electronic system. This is a member of Group C. Team leader Rizky Septi Pratama, member M. Farid Dia Rahman, Nur Aini Siti Soleha, Remita Dwi Putri, and Shelly Andini. Okay, contribution of member and a general overview explain to Rizky. Okay, now I'll pass to Rizky.
Okay, now I will explain contribution of each member. First, Rizky Septi Pratama was responsible database handler and create use case diagram. Next, M. Farid Diaur Rahman worked on backend development and create VR diagram. Then Nur Aini Siti Soleha focused on UI UX designer and report writing and material research. Remita Dwi Putri Simandunda worked on the front end development and research user characteristics. And last, Shelly Andini look the quality control and create project documentation. I will explain the flowchart of the two user roles, the election commit and the resident. The system allows residents to log in, view candidate profile, and vote online squirrel. Commit can manage voter data, verify candidates, monitor vote count in real time, and generate election report automatically. In summary, this system makes the voting process transparent and simpler, more transparent and well organized for both the commit and the resident. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much to Rizky. And next, functional equipment and non-functional equipment explain to Remita. Now I'll pass to Remita.
Okay, this slide explains the functional requirement of our online voting system for RT/RW. The number one is login. The system verifies citizen data. Only those registered in the area can participate in the election. Number two, citizen data management. The committee can add, edit, or delete citizen data. Citizen data can only be accessed by the committee. 3. Candidate. Citizen who meet the requirement can register as candidate for RT/RW head. The committee verifies and determines the list of candidates. And number 4, candidate voting. Citizens can cast their vote online only once. The system automatically closes the voting after the deadline ends. 5. Vote counting. The system automatically counts vote in real time. And the last number, election report and result. The committee can download the election result report. Citizens can view the final election result transparently. Next. This slide shows the non-functional requirement of our online voting system. The first, the system is able to run 24 hours non-stop except during system maintenance or system updates. Next, the system must continue to run without error during the voting process. Next, the system is able to accommodate hundreds of users voting simultaneously. Next, how easily a system can be moved and used on another device. Next, ensure that the system can run safely and stable without any technical disturbances. And the last, ensure that user data and access remain confidential and are not misses. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much to Remita. And okay, next page. Use case diagram explain to Aini. Now I'll pass to Aini.
Okay, I will explain the use case diagram. In this diagram, there are two main actors, the committee and the citizen. The committee is responsible for managing, organizing, and monitoring the overall election process. They can log in, set election periods, input citizen and candidate data, view candidate lists, and monitor at the real time and final result. Meanwhile, the citizens are the users who participate in the election. They can log in, view candidate lists, vote for candidate, and see both the real time and final election. Basically, this diagram shows how both actors and connected the system. The committee focus on managing and supervision, and the citizen focus on voting and viewing the result. And that's all for the use case diagram. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much for Aini. And next page. ER diagram explain to Farid. Okay, now I'll pass to Farid.
Okay, so here I will explain the ER diagram. The ER diagram has several attributes such as voter having attribute voter ID, name, address, NIC, password hash, RT, RW. Vote having attribute vote ID and voting time. Candidate having attribute mission, candidate ID, name, and photo. Election having attribute start date, completion date, period, election ID. Committee having attribute username, name, committee ID, password hash, and status. Voter give vote is many to many. Vote for candidate is many to many. Committee managed election is many to one. Election has candidate is many to many. Summary of the model. The model establishes the core entities and their connection. 1. The committee set up and oversees the election. 2. The election contains multiple candidates. 3. The voter citizen casts a vote. 4. The vote is linked to the specific candidate who was chosen. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much for Farid. And last page, my impression explained to me, Sherry Andini. Okay, the first login page. Login page entry point of the system where user enter a valid username and password. 2. Dashboard page. Display general election information and navigation to other features. And 3. Voting page. Show the list of candidates with photo, name, and voting button. User can vote once. The last election result page. Election result page display temporary or final election result in a table showing votes for each candidate. Okay. We are Group T. Thank you so much. Sorry for the mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Berharap petualangan kecil ini janganlah berakhir terlalu dini. Masih betah langkahmu ku temani, walau merasakan lebih ku tak berani.